Good morning. Welcome to Quest Bites. Happy Magic Monday. I'm your host, Corinne Cahill. I'm so glad you are joining me this morning. I hope you had a great weekend outside in the warm weather. Hopefully got to cool down in some water. But today, I'm glad you're joining me because we are making our very own underwater volcanoes. They're super easy and fun, so I'm glad you're here to learn how to do that. But first, we're gonna play Spot the Quapples. I'll put 30 seconds on the clock for you to try and find all 5 Quapples. Quapple, of course, our education logo in the bottom left corner of your screen, the apple with the Quest Q in it. And I already gave one away because I was covering it. How are you gonna find it if I was covering it? My bad. About 15 seconds left. Let me know if you're able to find them. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here is the answer, all 5. Of course, I was covering one up, so I'll give that one to you. But there they are all across the volcano. So we are making our own underwater volcanoes. What are you going to need to gather to do that today? 2 clear containers, 1 big and 1 small. You'll need a rock or a small object to weigh down that small container, water, and food coloring. You're also probably going to want a stick or a chopstick for mixing the food coloring in the water. So how are you gonna set this up? First, you wanna put the large container with cold water and the small container with the hot water. You'll put a rock in the bottom of that small container and add your food coloring. We did red and yellow to make orange here. This is when you'll put that small container into the big container, but I, of course, want to explain what is going to happen first when that happens. So hot water rises to the top because the molecules in it move faster and expand, making it less dense, so it rises in the cold water. That means when you drop that smaller container into the cold water, the hot water will spew out the top just like a volcano. So let's watch to see what happens. You're going to want to be careful dropping it in there so that it stays upright, but there it goes, your underwater volcano. And you can tell that the color wants to stay all the way at the top of the glass. It doesn't go down to the bottom. It stays inside the small container or at the top of the big glass. So that's showing you about the hot and cold water molecules. Pretty cool, right? Of course, when you do stir this, the color will go down to the bottom. So you can make whatever color volcano you would like. You can always mix in glitter into that small container to make a glittery volcano. I know that's something I would want to do. Let us know if you're able to try this. Send us your pictures and videos of your underwater volcanoes. We'll put the instructions in the comments so you can try the lesson. I hope you're able to join us on Wednesday because we're going outside and we're doing some painting with sunscreen to learn more about the sun. But until next time, continue onward with your quest for knowledge, and thanks for watching.